Hey everyone, and welcome to Boston Autoblog. Today, I'm going to take a look at the 2018 Ford Escape. But first, I'd like to thank Muzi Ford in Needham, Massachusetts for allowing me to do this review. And so, without wasting any further time, let's get right into it. With the announcement earlier this year that Ford will no longer be making sedans, and instead focusing all their attention on crossovers, the Ford Escape will now be looked upon as being the high-volume seller for the brand. In 2017, the Escape outsold the Explorer, and except for the F-150, was the most popular vehicle in Ford's lineup. What is it about the Escape that draws so many into buying one? And is this crossover success over the years the reason why Ford has decided to go into a completely new direction? For this review, we're going to take a look at the SE and titanium trims to answer that question. But first, let's take a quick test drive in the Ford Escape Titanium. The 2018 Ford Escape's popularity may have a lot to do with its versatility when it comes to fulfilling the needs of consumers from any age demographic. Whether you're a young college student looking for a vehicle to get around town, or a middle-aged adult with a young family, the Escape fills its role perfectly. Its overall practicality and stylish exterior makes this crossover SUV very appealing, and as you move up to the titanium trim, you'll then be entering entry-level luxury territory that will give you a very enjoyable and comfortable driving experience. First, let's take a look at the SE, as this particular model we have today comes with the Sports Appearance Package. It goes without saying that the Sports Appearance Package gives the Escape SE a much more sleek and low-profile look. 19-inch ebony painted aluminum wheels, gloss black painted upper grille bars with chrome inserts, gloss black painted side view mirror caps, paddle shifters, a 10-way power adjustable driver and 4-way manual front passenger seats with partial leather trim, and a leather wrapped steering wheel help make this SE really stand out from the others. For performance, the SE will get a 1.5 liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder engine that gets 179 horsepower and 177 pound-feet of torque, and is paired with the 6-speed automatic transmission. You'll have a choice between front and 4-wheel drive, with front-wheel drive coming standard. For fuel efficiency, you can expect to receive 22 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. Inside, you'll get a digital information display in the center of the instrument cluster that will show your fuel economy and other information like tire pressure monitoring. Moving over to the center console, you'll get an 8-inch touchscreen display with Ford's Sync 3 system, along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, and a rear backup camera. For an additional $800, you can get a voice-activated touchscreen navigation system to go along with Ford Sync 3. Below the touchscreen, you'll find the controls for the heated front seats and dual-zone climate controls, and up front you'll have a USB input and 12-volt outlet, and you'll find an additional USB input in the center storage compartment. Unlike on the titanium trim, you won't get a power liftgate. But taking a look at rear cargo space, you'll get 34 cubic feet of cargo room, and with the seats folded down, that will double in size to 68 cubic feet, making the Escape a very practical crossover if you're constantly on the go. If the SE, with or without the sports appearance package, isn't enough, then the titanium trim will offer much more in terms of comfort and technology. For performance, the titanium will get a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that gets 245 horsepower and 275 pound-feet of torque that is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Just like with the SE, you'll have the option to go with front wheel or 4-wheel drive. And for wheel size, this model comes with 18-inch wheels, but you can upgrade to 19s. Inside, you're greeted by 10-way power-adjustable heated leather front seats for both the driver and passenger. You'll get a leather-wrapped steering wheel and a digital information display. You'll get an 8-inch touchscreen with a voice-activated navigation system, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, and Sirius XM Travel Link, which will show a list of local gas stations in the area with their prices from regular to diesel. You'll also have access to a list of movie theaters in your local area, and you can search movies you're interested in seeing and which locations are showing that particular film. And you'll get scores from recent sporting events, which when I filmed this review, I wasn't too happy looking at the Celtics-Cavaliers final score. Below the touchscreen are the controls for the 10-speaker Sony audio system, and further down the center console are the buttons for your heated seats and climate control. Just like in the SE, you'll find a USB input and 12-volt outlet, and an additional USB input, along with enough room for smartphones and other small items for the center storage compartment. Passengers in the back will get a decent amount of legroom, and with the leather seats, they're going to be able to sit comfortably on road trips. Unfortunately, due to the rain, I couldn't display the panoramic Vista sunroof that is available on the titanium and optional for the SE trim. It's just another small touch that adds to the overall comfort and does make the interior look more spacious. Coming standard on the titanium trim is the power liftgate, which will make getting items into the Escape much easier. Overall, the Ford Escape is a great all-around crossover. Whether you're looking for a daily driver or you want something a little more on the entry-level luxury side with the titanium, the Escape is a good option to go with. After spending some time with the Escape, it makes sense as to why Ford is hedging their future success on crossovers, as the Escape meets all the requirements consumers are demanding. Once again, I'd like to thank Muzi Ford for allowing me to review the 2018 Ford Escape. Their link will be in the description below, so you can check out their extensive Ford inventory. I hope you enjoyed this review. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time.